A new exciting feature we have is the calendar. Here under dashboards is the calendar. Click here. I see right now it happens to be February 7th. These were the tasks that were due this week, task upcoming tomorrow. I can click on it. I can actually click to go to the reservation here, or I can see just some general items about the reservation. I can even mark it complete from this screen. Here on these little red dots is where you can view your settings. You can choose what you want to display on the calendar. Maybe you don't want the checkouts. Maybe you just want the check-ins. Another cool thing you can do is show the colors. Hit save. And now these tasks that are the low priority tasks will show in green. The medium tasks will show in yellow. And the ones in red will be the high priority tasks. Let's say I want to move on to March and see what's going to be due in March and what's upcoming for my client travelers. Don't forget to hit this to get the results for March. And here I can even see birthdays of my clients. I can see who's checking in. And remember, here I didn't check the checkouts, but if I want to do that, I can hit save, and then I can see when they're checking out. You can go to any month you want. Just don't forget to hit that refresh. And now you have everything on one screen for the month. It's exciting.